Nimisha today attending Super Challenge tested on 17th day from Gansoli NG Grand Plaza to Vashi Total Road areas. Now she is crossing from Gansoli Junction to Koperkena entry. Nice, super, excellent. Now she is crossing Teen Tank signal on main road of Koperkena, Vashi. Independently, Nimisha Nambiar attending Super Challenge tested on main road of Gansoli to Vashi station, main road of Vashi, Koperkena, Gansoli. Now she is crossing sector 15, 16, 17, 18 Koperkena. Will reach shortly to D-Mart. She will reach D-Mart. Now she is crossing D-Mart signal junction, Koperkena. Now Nimisha Nambiar crossing D-Mart signal, crossed successfully. Super, excellent, proper judgment. Nice. Now she will reaching to Digital, Reliance Digital, Koperkena. Bonkoda petrol pump. She will reach nearly, almost all. Now she is crossing Reliance Digital, Koperkena. Now she is crossing Reliance Digital, Koperkena. You can see left side Reliance Digital. Now she is crossing Bonkode petrol pump. Now she reached to the Bonkode signal. Now she is crossing Bonkode signal. Bonkode signal. Excellent, super nice. She wants to take diversion to left side. Excellent, nice. This is my car. This is Master Swami car. Yes, good morning, loudly.
Good morning.
Your sound should be NG Grand Plaza तक जाना चाहिए, मम्मी डैडी तक. What is your good name?
Nimisha.
Where you are residing?
I reside in Gansoli.
What is your highest qualification?
I completed my 12th.
Today is your 17th day class.
Yes.
And today Super Challenge tested.
Yes.
From where to where? Are you ready to explain?
Yes.
Can I explain?
I can explain.
Loudly explain.
We started from NG Plaza in Grand Plaza in Gansoli.
Independently from the parking slot.
From the parking spot, I came out independently. Master was not there in the car with me. From there, I came till Koperkena. Then Koperkena to Bonkode. I am here independently driving with no one in the car.
This is your route. For explanation of in detail landmarks of the Total today's challenge tested is NG Grand Plaza from Gansoli to Gansoli total local area. Enter into the junction of Gansoli Koperkerna towards Teen Tank.
Yes.
Then D-Mart, Reliance Digital, Bonkoda petrol pump. Now just crossed Bonkoda bus stop on main road of Vashi station to Gansoli main road.
Yes.
At the time, Master Swami is inside the car,
No.
daddy,
No.
mother
No.
or anybody else.
No.
Yesterday night, today morning, before starting tested, did you know your tested may be like this?
No.
How is super surprise test of Master Swami?
It was excellent.
What is the result of Master to Master Miracle course on 17th day, 17th super challenge tested? Summary.
It was amazing. I drove independently and I drove very nicely. because
Very
of
good.
myself.
Are you happy?
Yes.
How is Master Swami training system, best driving classes, Vashi Nabi Mumbai, word sentence, Hindi, English, Marathi?
It is amazing. I was able to learn a lot of things and now on the 17th day of class I'm able to drive independently also.
Okay. From the starting day to till, what is the highest gear used, highest speed used?
Highest gear was 5th gear and highest speed was 80.
Very good. Now, from here to, you start from here to towards Blue Diamond Junction.
Yes.
Next, HDFC, IDBI Bank, Sector 12, towards Sivasena, towards Gaude Mandir, towards Trimurti Hotel, Shabari Hotel, Sector 9 Mini Market, towards Kohinoor Electronic Shop, 5 Brigade Signal, Shivaji Chowk.
Yes.
Then Shivaji Chowk to take left turn
Okay.
towards Post Office, Vashi, towards St. Lawrence
Okay.
bus stop. Then you will find out the signal Vishwajyoti to left turn to Palm Beach,
Yes.
towards Modern College, Satra Plaza, Kopri Naka, to again left turn
Yes.
to Blue Diamond Junction. Then again from Blue Diamond Junction to right turn towards main road of Koperkena Vashi Oriental College.
Yes.
After that, just cross the Vashi to Koperkena entry.
Yes.
Again you have to stop opposite to one stop, fitness, Bonkoda bus stop. Before Bonkoda bus stop, left side, wherever you want, you have to stop. This is a today's final total area tested.
Yes.
Are you ready to drive?
Yes.
Do you know the route?
Yes.
Is there any tension?
No.
Very good. Today, Nimisha Nambiar successfully passed 17th Super Challenge tested independently. Main tough traffic roads of Vashi to Gansoli. You got 100 superstars, 100 to 100 marks. Today onwards, I am giving special award permission. You can take your car throughout India 24/7 as you wish, independently with dad, mom or anybody else. But you should have to follow Master Swami total rules,
Yes.
traffic rules,
Yes.
law and order,
Yes.
master techniques in the master course.
Yes.
You should go safely, you should come safely. Today onwards, full permission. You use 1 to 5th gear as you wish. You have to drive, okay? And again, today onwards, you have to take the rounds and you submit 5 reports
Yes.
any day,
Yes.
along with your dad, mom, alone, whatever you want. But you should have to submit 5 independent test tests, alone, dad, mom, whatever. But
Yes.
I want 5 reports and route wise, whatever, do round and take information with clearly. Test message, report number 1,
Yes.
I am alone. Report number 2, with dad, mother, whatever you do done. Okay? Area, route, speed, gates, everything you have to submit 5 reports.
Yes.
Okay? Now, are you ready to go?
Yes.
You go and I will meet there only. I won't come before, after also.
Okay.
Okay? Go. excellent, super, nice. Bye, Nimisha Nambiar. See you. This is my car.